Rahim. My today's topic is some dreams of Moulana Qasim Nanotvi, who established Darul-Uloom Deoband in 1868. I am just narrating some dreams, some of his dreams. When he was a child, he saw himself sitting in the lap of Allah, in the lap of Allah, nowhere else, in the lap of Allah. Dream, Qasim Nanotvi saw himself standing on the roof of Kaaba, and the springs of water was spreading from his feet in all the four directions, and his face was towards Kufa. Because Kufa means because the place where Imam Abu Hanifa preached and died. So his face was towards towards Kufa. So this dream was interpreted as, okay, by this person, by this Qasim Nanotvi, the Hanafi Mazhab will spread all over the Muslim world in all the four directions, and it will, Qasim Nanotvi will strengthen the Hanafi Mazhab. Dream. It is narrated by Khalid Tayyib. Khalid Tayyib is the grandson of Qasim Nanotvi. Okay, he says, the you know, Darul-Uloom Deoband is established um, on the roof of Masjid Nabawi, not somewhere else or by the side, but on the roof of Masjid Nabawi, and even his living quarter, Khalid Tayyib's living quarter, is on the roof of Masjid Nabawi. Lanatullahi al Kazibin.